Hello beauties, welcome back to another brand new video. Welcome back to my channel RC Infinite Fashion. In this video, you will explore how to wear latex skirts the right way for casual days, office looks, date nights, and even formal events. Dear fashion lovers, for office look, choose knee-high skirt with structured blouse. Keep everything structured and clean. For formal events, ladies' skirts need to look intentional and refined. Don't wear over-revealing tops. For a casual daytime look, pure latex skirt with basic cotton t-shirt. Well, my dear Arsians, if we talk about the date night outfit, for date night, ladies work beautifully. If the skirt is tight and shiny, keep the top soft and refined. Dear viewers, I hope you would love these outfit designs and styling tips. If you like it, if you want to see more styling guide, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more updates. Take care.